Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Let's talk about the pricing conditions. Yes, when you have record of all your products and you have its validity of the prices and what prices you want these to be valid. This is a formula which is going to be used. Don't worry about that, but this is a key. It takes these two things: the product plus the the validity from birth. Okay, so since the validity is from for a certain span of time, uh, from date and to date, so we take the from date as a key, right? Okay, and this is the product. So you have all your products pricing condition uh, in one sheet, and these are sorted in such a manner that alpha means A comes first, right? And the B is followed by B and then C. At the same time, it is also taking the from date. So because June comes first, August comes later. Okay, the August is followed by June, right? And in delta, if you see, there's 7th June, and it is 1st August and 1st December, properly sorted, right? Okay, since you have this set of information and you want for your transactions, you have the product-wise transactions, the transaction date, and you want uh, you want to write such a formula in Excel. These are 2,500 records, okay? 2,500 records, transactions, right? And you want such a formula that should bring the appropriate price, taking into the consideration the the date of the transaction, right? So it is being looked up through the index and match procedure. First, it is matching, combining the this, if you click it here, combining the product with the transaction, yes, and it is now being looked up, and it is getting the proper rate, the rate of this product, the price, right? So let's see, and that does it come right? 12.87. Does it make sense? 1st of July, alpha product. 1st of July, alpha product has only one pricing condition, and that is 12 point. That's right, 12.8736, 12.8736, and it has taken into the consideration the transaction date, right? Okay. The next is the last month. So the 1st of July means 1st of June. So this is the last month is already calculated here. Okay. So what it is doing, it is taking the blank in here because in our pricing condition, there is nothing mentioned, anything before the 7th of June, no record available. That's why the blank is coming here. That's why it is had if this F2, that is the 1st of June, is less than the minimum of the price for this product, so then the space is moved. That's right. Okay, so let's copy this formula downwards, right? Uh, let's copy completed. Okay, let's make a full copy of it so that we have we don't have to worry about it. Okay, so let's copy this entire thing below. I'm sorry, undo. Sorry. Since it got selected this way, okay. Now we are copying this and we are copying downwards, right? So you see, until the 7th of June, nothing is, as soon as it reaches the 7th of July, right? So 7th of July is the beginning of the, where we have the pricing record. So that is correctly bringing the price, right? And as soon as it enters into August, right? So since there are no multiple conditions there, it's only one condition. So the best thing we do is we go to the next product where we have the multiple pricing conditions. Let's go to the beta product, right? Beta is here, right? It has multiple products, right? So as you can see here, the beta has two pricing conditions. One is from 7th of June to 31st of July. This was the price. And the other was 1st of August, right? And this was the price. So from $8, it is reached to $10.2. Enough. So from $8, yeah, it has reached to the $10.2. Correctly working. And this is how we have successfully made the analysis, and it is telling you that what is the product, the pricing variations, and what was the last price on a particular transaction date. Last month, the previous price, the last month price was this, right? No change. As soon as there is any change, it will reflect. It will reflect the change. Yeah, this is the price. So this was the price W. Hey, there were no. I think price W is not there. Huh? Yeah, there are two pricing conditions for price W, 8 and 10.2. So 8 and 10.2. That's right. It is properly bringing while watching that what is the transaction date, what was the price previous month. It was 8.2, and this month it is 10. So this is just an example that such sort of the things are normally expected for you to develop it for your end user. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in our next video.